Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, YT Abdul Aleem.
Hello and welcome everyone. Welcome to this brand new course titled PLC Programming Tutorial for Beginners. If you're interested in automation, electrical engineering, or industrial control systems, then this course is perfect for you. My name is, and today we'll begin our journey into the world of PLCs, starting from the basics all the way to more advanced topics. What is a PLC? Let's begin by understanding what a PLC actually is. PLC stands for Programmable Logic Controller. It is a digital computer used to control machines and industrial processes. Where are PLCs used? Factory automation, elevator systems, traffic light control, water treatment plants. Key features of a PLC: highly reliable, real-time control, easy to program using ladder logic. Types of PLCs and popular brands. Popular PLC brands: Siemens, Allen Bradley, Mitsubishi, Delta, Schneider Electric. Types of PLCs: compact PLC, all-in-one; modular PLC, expandable; rack-mounted PLC, used in large systems. Introduction to PLC hardware. A typical PLC system includes: 1 power supply, provides power to the PLC. 2 CPU, central processing unit, the brain of the system. 3 input module, receives signals from sensors. 4 output module, sends signals to actuators. 5 programming device, used to write and upload the program. PLC programming basics. Most PLCs are programmed using ladder logic. It's a graphical programming language that looks like an electrical relay diagram. Basic elements of ladder logic: contacts, normally open, normally closed. Coils. Timers. Counters. Timers and counters. Timers are used to delay actions in a process. Types: TON, timer on delay. TOF, timer off delay. RTO, retentive timer. Counters are used to count items or events. Types: CTU, count up. CTD, count down. PLC simulation software. If you don't have a real PLC, don't worry. You can use simulation software. Logix Pro, Allen Bradley Simulator. Factory I/O. PLC Ladder Simulator, Android/iOS. These help you practice without buying real hardware. In future lessons, we'll cover advanced PLC projects and HMI, human-machine interface, integration as well. Thanks for watching, see you in the next lesson. Pro tips for...
Thanks for watching.